Hey, what's happening, guys? Elton here. It's a pretty beautiful evening here in Montreal. May 22nd, we're here at the Julep, the old orange Julep, a Montreal landmark. Still can't believe it's owned by the Chinese, but anyway, at least it exists. At least these car shows exist. Speaking of existing, how about this all original factory stock correct 67 Impala, original right down to the hubcaps. Here, that one is for you, Silva. This is you being here virtually, and I would imagine your champagne color Impala sitting next to this one, and I should be talking in French because you're more French. But anyway, too bad. So yeah, right on. What's we got here? Does this indicate a 327? Just a V badge, so it's a 283, 327. Does this thing have a pearl color on it, or is it the sun that's making it that effect? No, I think it does have a pearl paint on it. Pretty nice. Very nice. I always love to see old cars I've never seen before. And this one, I don't know if I've ever done a video of it because it's not all original in terms of color or wheels and all that. Anyway, whatever, I don't want to go into it. Man, that thing is a beauty. Not bad for a white car. Best time of day, too, to film this thing right now is just right now, or like low sun there, making this thing kind of look more like a cream white instead, you know. Yeah, this ain't no Quebec car, man. I'm sure of that. I'm sure of it. You know, this reminds me back in the 90s when I was building model kits. I built one of these, and I sold it years later on eBay. It was nice too because it was a coupe. It had the 427. It was like a copper metallic color. So I could see a lot of guys buying this car. No offense to you guys who love hot rods. I mean, I like them too, but they would get rid of the steel rims. They would get rid of the original hubcaps. You know. Wow. Oh my God, that's an original interior. I think. Look at the upholstery of the wear it shows, and little cracks. Whoa, original Impala 67. No freaking way, man. I once rode in one of these once. I had a friend one time. He had a four-door. Typical, nice, genuine, as they call it, jet smooth Chevrolet ride, you know. And oddly enough, though, his girlfriend got that car, and it went from a black car to a metallic pink car. Imagine that. You know, it's funny. I'm aware of this TV show that has one of these. You know, a four-door black model. It's called show's called Supernatural, but I've never seen the show. You know. Man, that color is something else at the interior, eh? Two-tone. It's kind of a gold and brown. You know, it's rare that you see an old car where actually the rear seat is in lesser condition than the front seat. I think the front seat, yeah, you know what? This front seat the covering was redone. That's why it looks nicer. Oh, wow, this car is definitely original. Look at the gauge cluster. It's all fogged up. I want to see what it says here, though. Excuse me, do me a favor. Would you do me a favor? I'm making a video here, this 67 Impala. It's very original. Could you do me a favor and tell me what the mileage says on the other arm? Because I'm visually impaired. I can't even drive these beauties legally.
36,249.
Yeah, I bet you that's true. And even if it was 136, it's still a splendid car. Terrific. You know, I don't think I've ever seen one so original, except for my friends. Anyway. Thanks again, man. I really appreciate that. Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, right on. You hear that? What do you say, 37,000? Even if it's 137,000, in this day and age, it's not even a lot. Especially for all these cars. They're all survivors. Anyway, hope you liked it.